have a glimpse of our children perform today. Thank you for joining us. We place God before everything we do and the best follows. As we have already inaugurated our program in the morning, let us take a moment to invoke the blessings of the Almighty. May God's divine grace and wisdom guide us all. To invoke God's blessings, I request our principal ma'am to please lead us into prayer and address the gathering.
Help me to do my best to make it an even better place. Teach me to be kind and helpful to all. Respect my elders and care for those who need my help. Thank you for this school and teach me to do my lessons as best as I can. Please be seated. The textbook's content will not teach these life skills to them. Life skills like commitment, life skills like teamwork, collaboration, facing challenges, being resilient, all these things can be learned only when they participate, engage, and involve themselves in these activities. And therefore, the concert for us is of utmost importance. I will also take a moment to highlight the fact that the theme of this concert, Kabuliwala, is a brainchild of our school director, Dr. Ranjini Krishnaswamy. She not only conceptualized this idea, but she also scripted and directed the entire show. With these words, I thank you each and everyone present here for being a part of this special day. Now sit back, relax, enjoy, and applaud all that our children have created for us. It's a magic. Please don't forget to applaud them for that. And let this applause continue throughout. We all are here going to be for almost 1.5 hours. So let this exercise go on throughout. Thank you very much. I wish all the best. We are waiting for our children to take the stage.
Have our school song to be presented by our school choir, followed by the prayer dance. Let's give them a big welcome with a round of applause.
Suburb of Mumbai stands a building huge and tall, where the students gather in large numbers, boys and girls, both big and small. DFS is the school name, providing knowledge and learning is its aim. DFS is the school name, providing knowledge and learning is its aim. To gain
सर्वशक्तिमान, तू ही है मेरे जीवन का संगीत, तू ही महान सर्वशक्तिमान, तू ही है मेरे जीवन का संगीत। हृदय के तार छेड़े झनकार, हृदय के तार छेड़े झनकार, तेरी आराधना है मधुर गीत, जीवन से मेरे तू महिमा पाए, एक ही कामना करूं, पाप क्षमा कर जीवन दे दे, दया की याचना करूं, तेरी आराधना करूं।
Song and wonderful prayer dance. In today's fast-paced, technology-driven world, the importance of universal human connections, human relationships, and selfless love and sacrifice cannot be overstated. As we navigate the complexities of social media, online communication, and increasingly busy lives, it's easy to lose sight of the value of genuine in-person connections. However, the story of the Kabuliwala reminds us that meaningful relationships are the backbone of a fulfilling life. By investing time and effort in building and nurturing connections with others, we can cultivate a sense of community, empathy, and understanding that transcends geographical and cultural boundaries. Moreover, selfless love and sacrifice, as exemplified by the Kabuliwala's devotion to his daughter, inspire us to prioritize the needs of others and strive for a more compassionate and harmonious world. As we move forward in this increasingly interconnected yet often isolated world, let us hold close the lessons of the Kabuliwala and strive to foster deeper, more meaningful connections with those around us. Our motto is to celebrate diversity, unity, secularity, and most of all, togetherness. Get ready to embrace a beautiful display showcasing all these attributes. So let's not keep you waiting and begin the grand festivity.
In the mountainous terrain of Afghanistan lived Rahmat Mia, a tradesman by profession. Every year, he and several of his friends would go to India, bearing with them a variety of dried fruits such as almonds, cashews, apricots, and others, and sell them to Indian traders or rich Indian people. The money got was often lent to needy Indians, and once a certain monetary target was reached, they would go back to their homeland. Since they were also money lenders, they were called Pathans or Kabuliwalas or men from Kabul. This is the story of a very poignant relationship between Rahmat Mia and Minnie, a young Indian girl. It is based on a short story of the same name by Rabindranath Tagore. Kabuliwala was also made into a Hindi movie by Bimal Roy. We present to you Kabuliwala in the form of a dance drama.
Rahmat Mia's house.
Biwi, I think the time to go to India has come. Our funds are running low, and yesterday my friends were talking about making our annual visit there.
When do you think you will go?
Maybe tomorrow night?
So soon.
Abbu, you cannot go alone. We will also come with you.
No, my Gudiya, you cannot come. I will be back soon with lots of toys for my Gudiya.
He lifted his daughter and swings her around to allay her fears. Really, Abbu? All for me? A doll that can close its eyes and has golden hair?
Of course, Gudiya. Make a list. I will get you all you want. Now do this for me.
He takes a sheet of paper and some colored liquid.
Now put your palms in this and press it on the paper. Now my Gudiya will be with me all the time.
Father and daughter do the activity happily while Vivi looks on sadly.
चलो अब सो जाओ.
The family goes to bed, and the next night, when his daughter is asleep, Rahmat leaves his wife and daughter to join his friends on the journey to India. It is a long trip, and Afghan dance and sing to pass their time on the journey.
गर खुदा मुझसे कहे, गर खुदा मुझसे कहे, कुछ मांग ऐ बंदे मेरे, मैं ये मांगू, महफिलों के दौर यूं चलते रहे, हम पे आला, हम नेवाला, हम सफर हम राज हों, ता कयामत जो चिरागों की तरह जलते रहे. यारी है ईमान मेरा, यार मेरी जिंदगी, अरे यारी है ईमान मेरा, यार मेरी जिंदगी, प्यार हो बंदों से ये, प्यार हो बंदों से ये सबसे बड़ी है बंदगी. यारी है ईमान मेरा, यार मेरी जिंदगी, यारी है ईमान मेरा, यार मेरी जिंदगी. साज दिल छेड़ो जहां में, साज दिल छेड़ो जहां में, प्यार की गूंजे सदा. साज दिल छेड़ो जहां में, प्यार की गूंजे सदा, जिन दिलों में प्यार है उनसे बहारें हों फिदा. प्यार लेके नूर आया, प्यार लेके नूर आया, प्यार लेके ताजगी. यारी है, अरे यारी है ईमान मेरा, यार मेरी जिंदगी, यारी है ईमान मेरा, यार मेरी जिंदगी.
In India at Calcutta, a young girl of 5 years is playing along with her friends in her compound. They laugh and play hide and seek.
घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम? घोड़े जैसी चाल, हाथी जैसी तुम, ओ सावन राजा कहाँ से आए तुम?
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़की है जब वो हंसती है, बारिश होती है छनक छनक छुम छुम।
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, अरे कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम।
कोई लड़का है जब वो गाता है, सावन आता है घुमड़ घुमड़ घुम घुम। छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम छक धूम धूम।
चंदा चमके चम चमची खींचो कन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर। चंदा चमके चम चमची खींचो कन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर। कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना।
चंदा चीनी चमके चाटे चौक कन्ना चीनी जो। चंदा चमके चम चमची खींचो कन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटी चीनी चटोरी चीनी घोर।
के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह।
खड़क सिंह के खड़कने से खड़कती है खिड़कियां, खिड़कियों के खड़कने से खड़कता है खड़क सिंह। कितना मुश्किल ये गाना जरा गा के दिखाना।
खड़क खड़क रे खड़के खड़के खड़क सिंह का खड़के वो। चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे जो गन्ना चोर, जीती जाती चीनी चटोरी चीनी खोर।
चंदा चमके चम चम चीखे चौगन्ना चोर, चीटी चाटे चीनी चटोरी चीनी खोर।
Come on, Minnie. It's time to come in. Okay, bacha log. It's getting dark. Your parents will be anxious. The game can continue tomorrow. Chalo, chalo.
Minnie goes in, has her dinner, and gets ready for bed. Tell me a story, Mama. एक कहानी बोलो. हवा धीरे आना, नींद भरे पंख लिए झूला झूला जाना। नन्ही कली सोनी चली, हवा धीरे आना, नींद भरे पंख लिए झूला झूला जाना। नन्ही कली सोनी चली। चांद किरण सी गुड़िया नानों की है पली। चांद किरण सी गुड़िया नानों की है पली। आज अगर चांद लिया आना मेरी गली। गुन गुन गीत कोई हौले हौले गाना। नींद भरे पंख लिए झूला झूला जाना। नींद भरे पंख लिए झूला झूला जाना। दूर अगर पैरों को उलझाए, घूंघर का दाना कोई शोर मचा जाए। प्राण मेरे जागे तो फिर नींदिया तू बहलाना। नींद भरे पंख लिए
Minnie's house.
Have you learnt your lessons, Minnie?
Yes, Papa, but tell me what is sasural?
Now, where did you hear that?
Bhavdi was saying that her daughter has to go to sasural and all girls have to go to their sasural. Is it very far away? I will not go.
No, my little one. There is a long time before you go there. Don't worry. Now go and play. Let me write.
Minnie plays hopscotch and sings to herself. Suddenly, in the background,
काबुली वाला, काबुली वाला, काबुली वाला, काबुली वाला।
Minnie comes running in and says,
He will carry me away in his bag. Baba, let me hide here.
Don't be silly. Call him in. Let us see what he has in his bag.
Oh Kabuli wala. Oh Kabuli wala.
आपने बुलाया? क्या दो आपको बच्चा? बाहर आओ, मैं तुम्हारा दोस्त हूँ, डरना नहीं।
Come, Minnie. Don't be afraid.
A shy Minnie comes out of her hiding place and sits close to her father.
What is there in your bag? Do you carry children away in it?
नहीं बच्चा, देखोगे?
Opens his sack and displays all his wares.
साहब, क्या लोगे?
It is soon going to be puja. Buy some dry fruits for bhog.
Emerging from inside, she gives a list to Rahmat.
Here, drink this. You must be thirsty.
Thank you, Bibi ji. It is very hot.
He takes out the required fruits and sits chatting with Minnie and her father. He shows some games and tricks, and Minnie bursts into laughter.
चलो, मैं निकलता हूँ. I will come again, not to sell the fruits, but to play with this बच्चा. खुदा हाफिज.
Bye bye Kabuli wala. Come again.
Meanwhile, Minnie and her friends, accompanied by their mothers, go to watch a dance drama that Calcutta is famous for.
ভালোবাসে গো গোপনে সে আমায় ভালোবাসে ও মোর সজনী গোপনে সে আমায় ভালোবাসে গো গোপনে সে আমায় ভালোবাসে নাই ঠিকানা যখন তখন না গোনা চিতদিনের জানা শোনা থাকে আশেপাশে গো থাকে আশেপাশে মন মেতেছে মহল ফুলের বাসে গো মন মেতেছে মহল ফুলের বাসে ও সজনী গোপনে সে আমায় ভালোবাসে গো গোপনে সে আমায় ভালোবাসে ও মোর সজনী গোপনে সে আমায় ভালোবাসে গো গোপনে সে আমায় ভালোবাসে
Excitedly as they go home after the dance drama. After some time,
काबुली वाला काबुली वाला काबुली वाला काबुली वाला
Baba, he has come. He said he will tell me stories.
Hello, Bacha. How are you?
What is your name? Mine is Minnie, not Bacha. Call me Minnie.
Yes, Mini Bacha. My name is Rahmat Mia.
Where do you stay? Is your house very far away? Do you have friends?
How many questions you ask, Mini Bacha? My home is in Kabul. It is far up away in the mountains. Here I live with many other Pathans. We live together and talk about our families and homes.
Kabuliwala narrates a story, and there is an Afghan dance as he relives his youth in Kabul.
شیرین یاره دارم یاره با وفا این دل با خود میبره باید نگاه میخوام عمرم با او یک جا بگذره وقتی میبینمش حالم بهتره میخوام عمرم با او یک جا بگذره وقتی میبینمش حالم بهتره دو چشم آهو داره لبخند جادو داره این بچه شهر کابل با این دل بازی داره چشم آهو داره لبخند جادو داره این بچه شهر کابل با این دل بازی داره عاشق شدم سر یاد از عاشقی دل اوگار این درد دل دوارش استاده پیشک یار دو چشم آهو داره لبخند جادو داره این بچه شهر کابل با این دل بازی داره چشم آهو داره لبخند جادو داره این بچه شهر کابل با این دل بازی داره
Kabul must be a beautiful place. But tell me, don't you get scared staying so far away and alone? Won't your mother shout at you if you are late?
No, Mini Bacha. My mother has gone to God.
God? But that must be even further than Kabul, na? Will you not go to see her? Is it further than Sasural?
Yes, it is very far. I cannot go there. But what do you know about Sasural?
The maid has been filling her head with all nonsense.
Baudi said, I will also go to Sasural, but I will not.
No, Mini Bacha. Everyone has to go someday to Sasural. But don't worry, you are still very young. Bye bye.
Months pass by. Minnie and the Pathan keep meeting and a beautiful relationship develops between them. He tells her stories.
बातें तेरी मेरी अब बढ़ने लगी आदतें तेरी अब मुझ में बसी यारा आंखों की शरारत भी जाने है तू यारी तेरी
अब धीरे धीरे से रूठी राहें भी खुश हो जाए, आसा मंजिल हो जो साथ तू चले। थोड़ा 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 सा एक दूजे को हम थामे, बोले बिन जाने क्या चाहे दिल भला। बिखरा था मेरा जहां भी अकेला सा, यारी तेरी ने संभाला। ओ यारा तू मेरी है खुशी, दुनिया भी तू मेरी रोशनी, राहें भी तोड़े ना टूटे ये डोरी। चाली करती है मनमानी, गहरी भी यारी तेरी। चाली साथ न छोड़े पल भर को, यारी तेरी चाली। जब साथ में मेरे चले, मैं आफतों से लड़के सभी हंसते हुए हर बाजी मार लूं। चलती है ये गाड़ी अपनी तेज तो कभी धीमी से, गिर पड़ूं मैं तो थाम ले मुझको, गलती ना तेरी ना मेरी। समझे है तू मैं भी समझूं, बोली ये ना समझेगी यार कैसे इतना प्यारा तू। ओ चाली तू मेरी है खुशी, दुनिया भी तू मेरी रोशनी, राहें भी तोड़े ना टूटे ये डोरी। चाली करती है मनमानी, गहरी भी यारी तेरी। चाली साथ न छोड़े पल भर को, यारी तेरी चाली।
बच्चा आपको ईद मुबारक, ये लो आपकी ईदी।
सजदा वो सबके सर पे सजदा, बड़े भी जहाँ कदम उस शहर में खुशहाली हो। सजा दे दिल की बस्ती, हर एक मंजिल की बस्ती, कोई भी राह मिलों से दिलों से गुलों से ना खाली हो। आई ईद वल्ला, खुशी की ईद वल्ला, ये मेरी ईद वल्ला, मेरी भी ईद वल्ला। आई ईद वल्ला, खुशी की ईद वल्ला, ये मेरी ईद वल्ला, मेरी भी ईद वल्ला। की झोली भरी रहे अब सदा, खुशी से पाला हो बेहद उजाला हो, सुनेगा तू जब सदा। सालों की ये चाह मिलेगी पनाह, बेदर ना होगा कोई, घर पे सवाली है अब दर्द खाली है, असर ना होगा कोई। আজ আনন্দ রং এলো আকাশ জুড়ে, এ ধরাতে সবার ভালো হোক। আছি যেখানে যে এসো দু হাত ধরি, চারিদিকে চাঁদের আলো হোক। सजदा, वो सबके सर पे सजदा, बड़े भी जहाँ कदम उस शहर में खुशहाली हो, सजा दे दिल की बस्ती, हर एक मंजिल की बस्ती, कोई भी राह मिलो से दिनों से गुलों से न खाली हो। आई ईद वल्लाह, खुशी की ईद वल्लाह, तेरी ईद वल्लाह, मेरी भी ईद वल्लाह। आई ईद वल्लाह, खुशी की ईद वल्लाह, तेरी ईद वल्लाह, मेरी भी ईद वल्लाह।
Time flies till one day. Minnie has grown up a bit and is now going to school. She is sitting in the compound doing some homework when
Minnie, the Pathan is arrested.
Baba, see what my friends are saying. Rehmat Chacha is arrested. What does that mean? They come out to the compound. Kabuliwala is handcuffed and being taken by the police. Kya hua? Where are you going? Don't let him take you away.
No, mini bacha. They are taking me to Sasural. I will come back soon.
What happened, Rehmat? क्या हुआ?
He killed the man.
What?
He had borrowed money from me, साहब, and was refusing to return it. हाथापाई हो गई. इसके बीच में मेरी चाकू चल गई. करीब हूँ ना साहब, मेरा कौन सुनेगा?
गलत काम किया तुमने रहमत. खैर, if you tell the truth, the judge will be sympathetic.
The family goes in.
Come on, Minnie. Andar chalo. Thank God he won't come home now. Suppose he had kidnapped my Minnie? But who listens to me? You encourage all such people because you are a writer. What do you know about a mother's anxiety?
Don't be silly. He's a good man. This was an accident. But I'm not sure how the judge will react. It is all an act of fate.
Time passes. And into saris.
Minnie has grown up and is about to get married. The house is all decorated and lit up. Friends of Minnie are sitting around, singing and dancing as she applies mehendi.
मेहंदी है रचने वाली, हाथों में गहरी लाली, कहीं सखियां अब कलियां हाथों में खिलने वाली हैं, तेरे मन को जीवन को नई खुशियां मिलने वाली हैं। मेहंदी है रचने वाली, हाथों में गहरी लाली, कहीं सखियां अब कलियां हाथों में खिलने वाली हैं, तेरे मन को जीवन को नई
father paces up and down, looking anxious and happy at the same time. The watchman is heard speaking loudly.
पकड़ो पकड़ो उसे जाने मत दो.
What is this shore? Who is this?
साहेब, it's me, Rahmat. I was released only today, but मिनी बिटिया की याद आ गई and I have brought fruits for her.
Rahmat, Minnie cannot see you today.
Why, साहेब? एक मिनट, सिर्फ ये फ्रूट देना था.
She is getting married today. That is why.
Married? Going to her sasural? And I have just come back from mine. Can I just give her my blessings, Babuji? She reminded me of my little daughter back home in Kabul.
Takes out the old and crumpled piece of paper with his daughter's palm prints.
How time has gone by. My daughter too must have grown up.
He turns back sadly.
जिंदगी, तू कब तक मेरा इम्तिहान लेगी?
एक दिन मोहब्बत ओढ़ कर एक दिन गली के मोड़ पर तेरी हथेली पर लिखूं मेरा नाम तेरे नाम पर फिर तू तकल्लुफ छोड़ कर फिर तू झुका कर के नजर रखना मेरे कांधे पे सर जिंदगी कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी रात में तेरे खत पढ़ेंगे साथ में कोरा जो पन्ना रह गया एक कांपते से हाथ में थोड़ी शिकायत करना तू थोड़ी शिकायत मैं करूं नाराज बस ना होना तू जिंदगी कुछ तो बता अपना पता जिंदगी तारों भरी एक रात में तेरे खत पढ़ेंगे साथ में कोरा जो पन्ना रह गया एक कांपते से हाथ में थोड़ी शिकायत करना तू थोड़ी शिकायत मैं करूं नाराज बस ना होना तू जिंदगी कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी कुछ तो बता जिंदगी अपना पता जिंदगी
Rahmat, wait. I will fetch Minnie just for a minute. Ruko. Minnie, oh Minnie. See who has come to see you.
100 salam, Saab.
A shy but grown up Minnie, all dressed in wedding finery, emerges. She appears confused to see an old Pathan with worn out clothes and grey hair smile at her in astonishment.
मिनी बच्चा, तुम इतनी बड़ी हो गई हो, मैं क्या तोहफा दूंगा तुमको? यही अखरूट और आखिरी बादाम.
Minnie is still confused.
Don't remember me? I'm your old dost, Kabuli wala.
Shouts the words as he used to when Minnie was a child. Minnie blushes, and a sign of recognition and disbelief is seen in her eyes. Taking the held out fruit from Rahmat's hand, she runs away blushing. Kabuliwala's eyes are filled with tears as he realizes that his daughter too may not recognize him after so many years.
हमेशा सुखी रहो बच्चा. Thank you, Sahib. I will go to my home in Kabul. It has been too long.
As Rahmat prepares to leave, father calls him back and putting his hand in his pocket, takes out some money.
Here, Rahmat. Take this. It will be useful.
नहीं साहब, it is okay.
You are a father too. I can understand your feelings. This is my gift to you for Minnie's wedding. Go home to your family.
Rahmat folds his hands in respect and says,
धन्यवाद बाबूजी. खुदा आपको खुश रखे.
Rahmat leaves slowly, holding a golden haired doll that he has brought for his daughter. He exits the stage, wiping a tear from his eye.
Sensational performance, isn't it? Let's give another round of applause for our superstars. I request our own director to please come and say a few words.
Good afternoon, dear parents. I told the students that when Rahmat Mia leaves the auditorium, supposedly for Kabul, there should not be a single dry eye in the audience. Everybody should be having tears. I said, when the audience cries, our play is a success. You have to tell me, did you feel like crying at this point of time? Thank you. Art. You know, when we were having the practice, I'm going to read out, instead of saying how good the children were and what they did, as somebody will tell you, the compare will tell you, we had close to 482 children. In every show, we have close to 482 children performing. And to perform on the stage without a dress rehearsal, I think is an act of confidence, not just confidence, super confidence. When I was sitting, when the children were acting, suddenly 2 children came up to me and they said, Miss, we've written a poem on Kabuliwala, and will you correct it for us? I said this in the earlier batch also. I'm just going to read out this poem to you because according to me, this is the true success of a play. Because not only did they comprehend the play, nobody taught them, they comprehended it. They were creative enough to write a poem. They were confident enough to come to me and say, okay, please do that. And since it was done by more than one child, there was collaboration. What better way of learning can we have, dear parents? We at Dosti have always mentioned that learning doesn't happen only in a textbook. It's what happens outside that is more important. Bear with me for a couple of minutes more while I read out the poem. This poem was written by two children from grade 10, Yashveen and Sarim. Accompanied by his friends, he wanders through the valleys. The hopes of his family on his shoulders, from house to house he dallies. A daughter at home, a figment of a smile on his mind, a soft heart, a tough demeanor, a man, one of a kind. On his journey he meets people many, most forgettable, but some memorable like many. A girl so fond of stories and games, a girl so young, not Minnie, only in name. It was in the midst of a normal day when Minnie's life found a new mate to play. In came the Afghan with his worn-out sack, a smile, drink, and a game, and he wished to come back. A cry is heard, the Pathan's life takes a hitch. Shackled and dragged, the Afghan is in a stitch. The police move him along, leaving Minnie confused. Her Ahmed Chacha leaves her battered and bruised. The seasons change, and so does Minnie's life. She ties the knot and becomes somebody's bride. All the ladies dance, high in spirits. But there's a familiar voice at the back. The Pathan pays a visit. The Afghan asks for Minnie, only to meet denial. He shows the only proof of his daughter, an attempt to reconcile. The bride makes her way out, all puzzled, flustered, and shy. Kabuliwala, the Pathan says, his most familiar cry. The Afghan is overjoyed. He hands Minnie her gift. Giggling, a shy Minnie runs away, with her thoughts adrift. The Afghan gets a gift, a mutual fatherly favor, and he leaves for home with a story that he can savor. We hope, dear parents, that you enjoyed this play as much as we enjoyed doing it for you. Thank you very much.
It isn't something that happens overnight. Weeks ago, the wheels began to turn. It necessitates forethought and a keen eye for detail. We have been lucky enough to have the support of a team of proactive and devoted members of our institution's personnel who are experts in their field. Let us give applause and heartfelt appreciation to all those who have contributed to making this afternoon a grand success. Thank you so much to all the parents, well-wishers, and every person present here for your unwavering support and encouragement. I thank the management and trustees for their support and encouragement. A particular mention goes to our esteemed director ma'am and principal ma'am who inspire us to achieve our best and serve as a pillar of strength. For the attractive costumes, jewelry, and props. We are also thankful to the administrator of Dr. Kashinath Ghanikar Auditorium. Nothing can be completed in school without the support of our evergreen dynamic support staff who look after all the little things which matter so much. A big thank you, dear team of support, personal auxiliary staff, Didis and security people, Bindra and the team who provided us with the buses. I would also like to thank the admin staff for their generous support and help. Every show that we are putting today has 480 children participating and a few students who have special needs. Not only that, as mentioned by Principal Ma'am, this is the first time we are performing this show in the auditorium and none of our students have been able to rehearse here. Last, our wonderful audience, thank you so much to all parents and well-wishers for your unwavering support and encouragement. Children cannot achieve excellence without your help. You truly deserve a resounding applause. As they say, all good things come to an end, but the show must definitely go on. The team spirit and your enthusiasm, participation, and positive energy have made this event truly memorable. See you all next year for a much bigger and brighter display. Thank you so much.